Is this a video?
Yep.
Nice.
Tell us about what we got going on last night.
Oh man, dude, we got caught. I don't know if we even know if you could call it a storm. It was just like a wind. We were in a wind alley. We had like probably up to 40-mile-an-hour gusts last night. Started shaking our chimney around. It was bent already. Well, we got guidelines out there holding her down, but then come probably, I don't know, 1:45.
Yeah, it was like
maybe
quarter
2
to
o'clock.
2.
Frank woke up and stocked the fire.
Yeah,
And we had a
got that
broken
thing
damper.
real loaded up, and yeah, damper is broke.
Damper was broken.
Windstorming as hell. Get this bitch, and I hop back in bed. You know, I load it up and I hop back in bed, and I think, oh shit, this thing's way too hot.
I said, Frank, close that damper.
Yeah, so I closed up the damper. I closed up this little thing right there. Jack tells me, it's not gonna burn. I'm like, oh, it's gonna burn.
Yeah. Then
We got a massive fire roaring in here at 1600 degrees Fahrenheit. Whole chimney pipe is glowing bright red in the dark. It's so goddamn hot. All the while the wind's howling. It was pretty scary.
That was a creepy night. Smoky in here too.
Smoky in here.
Yeah. It's crazy. Now we got her all fixed up, leveled up.
Leveled up, chimney
Leveled up.
redone.
Yep. Chimney redone.
Check that. The fan.
Oh wow. Sweet.
Still leaking.
Yeah. What the heck?
I'm gonna get you Sharon from Etsy. Dude, that fan looks sick in the background of any sort of video. Because it's just...
Yeah,
It's just sitting there running.
That's crazy. Ten walls just glowing behind it.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I constantly make anything look good right there. It's just got that nice ambient wall.
Mm-hmm.
I love the fucking tent from the outside at night.
Oh,
It's
it's
just
red,
glowing.
Yeah.